Welcome to today's Isley Traditional TV, IT TV for short, where Isley All-Stars are IT. I'm Ellie.
And I'm Eli. Today is Friday, March 6th. We will be having pizza pocket, cheesy fish melt, or a hamwich in our homey cafeteria. And now we have Titus here for our special spotlight.
Thank you, Eli. When I say all, you say stars. All? Awesome! Sorry about having to wait this week to see this. In today's special spotlight, we will see what happens next in our clay art and how they look at the end. Now let's join Mrs. Wynn for part 2 of the spotlight.
So about after 3 days of being heated, the clay pieces turn into a white color, which now it's in the bisque state. Afterwards, they will be painted on with either glaze, but you could also use acrylic paint or watercolor. So bisque clay is clay that's been fired in a kiln. So it'll have this white, bright white color to it. And to give you a comparison, if you remember from earlier, bone dry still has a gray color to it. So when it's fired, it has a lot more white. And after that, you would add glaze. Glaze is like paint for clay, which you'll need to paint about 3 coats for it to show up.
Wow, our families should be so proud of us. Speaking of our families, lots of them will be in the building next week during conferences and the grand events. Don't forget there are 3 half-days next week and no school on Friday.
We sure have a lot going on, Ellie. Let's now join the 3rd graders in Mrs. Tucker's class in saying the Isley Pledge, and then we will join the 1st graders in Mrs. Hardaway's class for the Pledge of Allegiance.
I am an Isley All-Star. Today I will do my best. I am proud of who I am and who I will become. I am not here alone. We are a team and together we will make Isley shine. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
And this is
Ellie
and Eli saying shoot for the moon, Isley All-Stars. Tag, you're it.